Hey families, I wanted to show you a couple ways to set up your notebooks for class so that, especially more online, for right now, it'll be easier to kind of keep different places. And even when we go back into person, if that's your family's plan, it'll be easy to kind of have it in one place to travel back and forth just in case, who knows what's going to happen, that kind of thing. So it might be easiest to keep everything in one notebook. So one way that you can do, if it's a one subject notebook where it doesn't have any kind of dividers, get some sticky notes or even like pieces of paper with the tape on it. Like, so don't go out and buy something. Just cut a little piece of paper, put the tape on there just like you would a sticky note. And what I did was for the first part, because now remember, think that this is really writing. This is my teacher note, sorry. Most of them have started writing in the very first pages already. So that's the writing. We've only done writing. So I put a sticky note with a W for writing, or you can write the full word writing. Then I kind of eyeballed and I kind of tried to split it into thirds so that there's a section for writing, reading, and math. You can kind of help them with that, but then just let them know, hey, don't move the stickies, they're already done. So kind of halfway through, or sorry, not halfway, a third through, I put another one with an R for reading, or I could put the full word reading. And then same thing, the last third, I kind of eyeballed it for math, okay, and for math. So that then when they need those different parts starting tomorrow on a Tuesday, we're going to start doing a little bit of writing and all areas, then they can find that easily and they don't have to search through a lot of things, okay? So that's for one subject. If you have like a 3 subject or a 5 subject kind of one, like the 5-star kind of heavy duty ones, again, they probably started on the very first part with the writing already. So you could put a tab that says writing, or you can just go to the very first section, okay? And it's those folders, right? And just put reading really super big, and then go to the next section, put math super big, and they'll just know that's kind of the order that we'll do it in our small group. That's my plan, is do writing first. Okay, go to your second section or second sticky, go to reading. All right, go to your third section or your third sticky. Now it's time for math. So that might help your kiddo be more independent, and then you just as families to kind of organize as well. If you have a writing folder, which I do not at this time physically have one actually with me right now, but if you have a writing folder, you could have and I'll put a picture in the email. You can have a side that has maybe a check on it for that is done. I'm done with that writing, and an X on the other side of the folder that says I'm not done, and they can kind of just put in papers and move them where they need to. So if you'd rather have like loose papers where they can make books as we get into our writing more, or just notebook paper so that they can kind of move them back and forth between check done and X not, then that'll be good too. All right, so you don't have to go buy a folder right now. A little bit later down the line, we'll all probably use that a little bit more, but a one subject with stickies or paper with tape, or that 3 or 5 subject, whatever you have of heavy duty with the sections labeled, will do just fine. All right, so hopefully that helps, and let me know if you need anything.